happy. Everybody hugged him. Now,
A body buried inside a box which decomposes over time in the ground, is it permissible?
visible what?
The body buried inside a box which later on decomposes.
So I don't understand the link between the box and decomposes. You're allowed to bury a person in a box? Is that what you're saying?
Probably like things in the ground.
Well,
it should be
burying in the box, again, this is the price you pay when you're buried in a non-Muslim country, especially if the council does not allow the body is to be, to be attached to the land. It has to be in a box. Okay? Well, this is different boroughs, by the way. Each different borough, they will... I would say if you're a non-Muslim country, if in a Muslim country, no such thing they will be buried in a, in a box. No way. But in a non-Muslim country, I would urge you to put in your will, if you die in a non-Muslim country, that to be buried in a Muslim cemetery, to be taken. You're allowed, in this case, to be shipped from, for example, this town to Garden of Peace, which is about maybe an hour and a half, 2 hours drive from here. No problem. Rather than to be buried close by, but you're not going to be buried according to the Islamic teaching. Okay, so burying in a box, it doesn't mean that it is something any major issue, but the sunnah is to be buried in the ground. His body to the ground. Decomposing or not decomposing, whether he is in the box, metal box or not a metal box, the flesh has to decompose. It has to rotten. Maybe it will take more time, especially if a person being buried in a land which is like Norway, freezing, and a land which is like Saudi Arabia. Come here after 7 years, there's nobody there. Finished. The flesh is finished, the bones are gone. Okay. Whereas in Norway, it could be kept because a freezer there. It's a freezer. The land is a freezer there. But still, he's going to decompose. How slowly and how fast, that's irrelevant. Now. تفضل يا عثمان.